AI. You've certainly heard about it before. Artificial intelligence may transform and improve many areas of our lives, but there is a huge uncertainty on how it will affect our society as a whole. Some of the world's greatest minds are worried about a future shaped and dominated by AI. Will AI take our jobs? Will people make money? So then what is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence is a technology that behaves like humans. That means AI can learn from its mistakes, from its solved problems, and even add reasons like we do. Is there a limit to the possibilities of AI? Whenever AI is mentioned, the next thing that comes to mind is a robot. But there are other areas where AI technology is present. So let's look at the top 4 ways AI is changing our world. Healthcare. AI can aggregate vast amounts of patient data and suggest diagnoses and subsequent ways to treat patients based on this data. In manufacturing, AI can be used together with the Internet of Things to connect a network of devices and machines. These machines can then predict when maintenance is needed before a machine malfunctions. Transportation. Transportation is maybe the most widely discussed area in which AI is radically changing our world. Self-driving vehicles have been envisioned for many years, with some vehicles already being tested on the streets. Self-driving trucks are already out on the road, transporting goods without the help of a human driver. Some companies are exploring the idea of self-navigating cargo ships, which could come into the picture as early as 2025. AI will help determine the safest, shortest route and steer ships accordingly. Finance. AI helps predict fraud before it happens through the use of machine learning. It compiles and analyzes large amounts of data at much faster rates than humans. For example, by tracking financial information, AI can learn spending habits and patterns of a consumer and identify unusual transactions which could potentially be fraudulent. It is also believed that AI is better than human in risk assessment for consumer lending. AI is not only accurate and less biased, it's also cheaper and faster. The role of ethics in AI. It is all well and good that AI can optimize processes in ways human beings cannot. Yet, the role of AI in society is stirring up questions that society is not yet ready to answer. SpaceX and Tesla co-founder Elon Musk says that, "I am very close to the cutting edge in AI and it scares the hell out of me. It's capable of vastly more than almost anyone knows, and the rate of improvement is exponential." A jobless society. If AI will eventually be able to do most of human tasks more efficiently, what will happen to jobs? The question is one that concerns people for the future, as robots and AI are already eliminating jobs in industries like manufacturing and production. An economic research paper written by economists at Columbia and Johns Hopkins describes the problem with current AI as artificial intelligence draws closer and closer to human general intelligence. Much of human labor runs the risk of becoming obsolete and being replaced by AI in all domains. Jobs that were once thought of as extremely secure and having good long-term prospects, like that of a truck driver, are now at the risk of a complete AI takeover. The prospect of fewer and fewer jobs due to automation and AI have led many to propose out-of-the-box ideas to redistribute wealth in the society. One of the most widely talked about income distribution idea is that of the Universal Basic Income, UBI. Finland tested UBI by providing €560 per month to 2,000 unemployed people in the country. Results of this trial were mixed, as people receiving UBI were not able to gain employment any easier, but did report high levels of happiness. Notable figures such as Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg and Twitter founder Jack Dorsey are supportive of this idea. And recently, United States Democratic presidential candidate Andrew Yang has come out as a huge supporter of the idea, claiming he would implement UBI if elected president. Removing human bias. As human beings, we are prone to bias. Race, religion, and age are all the things that human beings unconsciously weigh when looking at one another. The idea that the implementation of AI will remove such biases from decision-making, unfortunately, this hypothesis has not necessarily proven to be true. It turns out that AI can just be as biased as humans. A recent paper commissioned by the Council of Europe titled "Discrimination, Artificial Intelligence and Algorithmic Decision-Making" shows how AI can perpetuate human biases. This is because AI itself is largely influenced by human beings who create and manipulate the technology. According to the paper, AI advances important goals such as efficiency, health, and economic growth, but it can also have discriminatory effects. For instance, when AI system learns from biased human decisions. Security risks. Imagine a driverless truck crashes into an unsuspecting motorist on the freeway. Who is to be blamed? Is it the engineers who developed the truck's AI? The manufacturer for designing the truck incorrectly? Someone else? It is an inevitability that there would be mistakes made by AI in the future, and it is not so easy to handle such problems. There have already been instances where this has played out. Last year, a self-driving Uber car hit a pedestrian, killing the woman instantly. Some blame the technology for failing to avoid the pedestrian, while others blame the man in the driver's seat who was watching videos on his iPad at the time of the accident. Because there is no precedent for this type of catastrophe, it is difficult to know how to assign the responsibility appropriately. AI also presents a security threat if used in malicious ways. The technology could be used to create a new type of cyber weapon used to attack drones and other smart devices, wreaking havoc on the entire network. AI was already used to promote fake news and propaganda in political elections, creating fake audio and video clips. Keeping ethics at the forefront. The world is moving towards the ubiquitous use of AI in all areas of life. AI will influence not only how you get transported from one place to another, but your financial life, work environment, and so much more. With this being the case, it is important for the global society to place a standard of ethics on AI in hopes of creating standard for this new technology. Elon Musk said, "Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Far. So why do we have no regulatory oversight? This is insane." Answering the question of what to do when AI creates massive unemployment or how to handle an AI catastrophe should be considered before any further steps are taken with the development of this technology. If not, the world could look eerily similar to sci-fi thrillers like 1984 in the near future. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from this topic. Remember to click subscribe button to be sure you won't miss out on more interesting topics like this in the future. And until next time, thanks for watching, keep investing, and bye for now.